Ito, idol ko din to eh. Kung anong suot na color na, yun yung sinuot ko ngayon eh. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Errol! Hi Errol, kumusta? Are you good?
Yeah.
Okay, are you nervous?
No.
That's good. Good answer. Yes. Yes. Nice color.
Thanks.
Naka-blue din ako eh. May attend akong ano mamaya? Debut. Pwede bang mayroon yan? Alright, Errol. How was your experience for the past 4 weeks? Did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you make friends though?
Yeah.
Yes, you did. That's good. And then, aside from that, yung ano mo, yung experience, do you answer Tagalog, right? Dito sa Tagalog?
Yeah.
Okay. Yung experience mo dito, aside from making friends, are you happy that you're able to showcase your talent?
Yeah.
Okay, puro lang yan. A man with few words. Yes. Pag nagkaasawa to, talagang iaralin niya. Yes, yes. Di ba yun? Ano yung safest answer ng mga husbands dito? Yes, dear. Yun. Safe zone. Di ba? Okay. So, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, our next finalist, please welcome Errol.
Highway run into the midnight sun. Wheels go round and round in my mind. Restless heart, sleep alone tonight, sending all my love along the wire. They say that the road may no place to start a family. Right down the line, it's been you and me. And love in a music man ain't always what it's supposed to be. Oh, girl, you stand by me. I'm forever yours, faithfully.
much. Aero, thank you, thank you. Alam mo yan yung team song ng mga, may asawa.